What's going on, guys? My name is Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about the Yeezy 700. After owning it for months now, and I want to give you my honest opinion on this shoe because it is re-releasing. Yes, it is. It's dropping again September 15th. That's this Saturday for $300. So I figured I'll make a video, talk about it, because I know a lot of people has already been asking me, about some features of the shoe and should I cop or should I not. So I want to cover everything in this video and give you guys as much information. So going into Saturday, you guys can make your decision if you guys want the shoe or not. So without further, let me just give you a detailed look of the shoe. So let's go. So after owning this shoe for months now I initially got this. I didn't get it on the pre-order when it first dropped. I kind of struck out on that. I know people are like, oh, you struck out on that. It sat. It did sit, but a size 12 really didn't. It sat for like 10 minutes, and I was kind of on the fence because it was $300. This is an expensive shoe. This is the most expensive shoe I own. So I was on the fence of dropping that type of money on a sneaker. So I waited, and I was able to cop this on the restock. So the second time around, earlier this year, I copped these, and I can tell you, man, it was probably the best $300 I've spent, to be honest. I absolutely love this shoe. It's my favorite shoe out of all the Yeezys or everything I own. This is my go-to. I'm glad it's re-releasing, man. I'm glad it's coming out this Saturday because I want more people to have this shoe. It's such a fantastic shoe, man. From the quality, from the comfort, to the design of this sneaker, it's perfect, man. It's perfect. It just reminds me of that retro 90s kids vibe, man. With the highlight laces. Like I used to have, when I was a kid growing up, we used to switch out the laces and put like neon orange, neon yellow and stuff like that. So it's so cool that he brought it back, that flare, because it definitely, if you guys change this laces out, it just kills it. It kills the sneaker. Like, you need these laces on this shoe because it just gives it that pop, even though it's kind of like a splash design on the shoe. But this little touch of the laces gives it that pop, It really does. It's so sick. So just going about some of the features, man, of it. So I don't know why it costs $300. I think the shoe can definitely go cheaper if they wanted to, but I don't know why. I don't know how much it costs to make this shoe, and it might be a little bit more, and I'll tell you why. Because up here, this is all, let me see if I can get the focus here. Here we go. So this is all leather here. This is all suede, nubuck suede right here on the toe. That design too. I love this loop right here, man. That's sick. So sick. And then this is 3M. These are 3M. This orange little splash here is 3M. And then you can't see it, but there's 3 stripes. So the brand with the 3 stripes is right there. You just got to hit it with the flash, and boom, it pops. The sole is super thick, which is kind of dope. If you're a short guy, this will give you some lift, give you a couple inches off the ground. It's full-length boost. It's all full-length boost. I love the bottom too. The bottom is so sick on these. That design, sick, absolutely sick. It's full-length boost. However, I will let you guys know, as far as comfort is concerned, you really don't feel the full-length boost. You don't feel boost compared to like a 350 or an Ultra Boost. How you feel like you're kind of walking on clouds? You don't get that on this. However, it doesn't take away from the comfort. I'm not saying like these are not comfortable. They are. They still are comfortable, but they're not like Ultra Boost or 350 comfortable. When you put these on, it feels like more of like an athletic shoe, like a trainer. It's a heavier sneaker. However, like the bottom tread, you put these on, I feel like you can run, you can do more. It's like a trainer, you know what I mean? However, I wouldn't run in these, but it feels like a more athletic sneaker compared to like a 350. but the quality is fantastic. Some of the negatives I'll point out. One obviously is the price point. I think $300 is way too much for a sneaker. Like for a kid, let me see if I get the focus again. For like a kid in high school, dude, I could never afford $300 sneakers. My parents would never pay for that. You know, they'd be like, "Why you need $300 for a sneaker?" They would just, you can get sneakers for $100 or, you know, $200, top that. But for $300, that's insane. That's insane. It really is. It's disappointing. I wish they brought it down to like $265, $275. I think that's probably a good little, you know, zone right there for 350s. Excuse me, through 700s. But it's not. But it's 300. So that's disappointing. And then another thing, these things crease, man. These things crease heavy. You know, if you're in, you know, you're kind of paranoid about that, about like, you know, keeping your shoes spick and span, you know, not ruining them. These crease heavy. These crease heavy. They'll crease right here. Let me see if I get the focus again. Sorry about that. They crease heavy right here on the toe. So you'll get these huge creases here and then really bad on the inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but they crease heavy right there. So, which makes sense too, because that's when kind of like your toe, when you're walking, your toe kind of bends. And that's where you'll get some, maybe like some paint chippage right here. You'll get some paint, you know, some chippage on the sole. You know, it's just it's just the crease. It's just the crease. It happens. It's when you wear your sneakers, guys. When you wear your sneakers. But overall, man, dude, these, like when I put these on, people stop. People ask me like, "What are those?" In a good way. You know, they're not like, "What are those? Take those off. Throw those in the trash." People are like, you know, I was at a hotel in Tampa, and the valet was just like, "Dude, those are the 700s, huh, man?" It was like an older guy. It was like, guy was like probably in his 50s, and he knew about these shoes. And I was like, wow. I'm like, wow, cool, right? I'm like, yeah, they are. I'm like, these just came out. Super nice guy, too, by the way. Shout out to him. But dude, these things are fire. These are my favorite shoes. I think you guys should cop. I think you guys should cop. If you have the bread, if you have the money to spend, dude, you can just rock this shoe. You know, this would be the perfect fall sneaker. The perfect fall sneaker. If you're a Yeezy fan, if you're just a Kanye West fan, you have to have this shoe. You have to have this shoe. This is by far his best sneaker since like the Turtle Doves or the 750s maybe. By far. Like I love the 350s and I love the 500s. I love the 500s. My only issue with the 500s is like I'm kind of getting like little, like he needs to do more with the colors and design of it, sort of say. Like he needs just he does it very simple. Like the 500s are super simple, meaning like, you know, you just get blush black and supermoon. Like give me some two-tone colors, give me some, you know, different variations of it. You know, like it is what it is, but like these are by far the best sneaker I own, and I will continue to wear them. I personally will be doubling up on these. I have to. I'm probably gonna rock these till they fall off, and then I'll have a fresh pair ready for me to rock again. But these are fire, man. These are fire. Like I said, these are a must-have. Now, how to cop them? How can you guys cop these sneakers? You guys put in your name for every raffle you can possibly find on the internet. Everyone you can find at every consignment store that you live by. Put your name in the raffles. Get your name out there in those raffles. You know, most likely you'll probably lose all of them, but hey, it's worth a shot. Your best chance, by far, to cop anything Yeezy, for me personally, it's always Yeezy Supply. I live out on the East Coast, so I know like Yeezy Supply usually drops early in the morning before Adidas. Adidas usually drops around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. depending. I think they do 10 a.m. for like just to get into the waiting room, and then they'll at 10:30 they'll start letting people purchase the shoe, and then by 11 o'clock it's all sold out. But Yeezy Supply usually drops them at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and then like around like 10 o'clock, or once they sell out, wait like a half hour or so, or 20 minutes, and then once they cancel all the bots orders or something, they do something, and then they restock them again. So be on the lookout. So if you miss out on Yeezy Supply, they always do a little restock at like a half hour after, or during the Adidas drop. So be on the lookout for that. I absolutely love this shoe, guys. You guys have to cop it. Let me throw these on feet and give you guys a better look of this shoe. How I style it, dude, you can style this shoe so many ways. You don't have to make this, you can make this shoe the statement, but you don't really have to. I like to throw camo pants on this shoe. I love to throw camo with this shoe. I love to throw, you know, just jeans, you know, you wear these with shorts, man. All the time I wear these with shorts. The only thing I'm not a fan of, but me personally, I'm not a fan of skinny jeans. You wear super skinny jeans with a chunky shoe, you look like like your leg's a golf club. So I'm not a fan of that kind of look. But I'll throw these on, give you guys a better detailed look. Guys, let me know down in the comments if you're going for this sneaker or not. You know, hit me up too if you guys cop. I'm gonna make another video, maybe if how to cop it or something, and give you guys more information. But you guys, let me know if you guys can cop. Let me know if you guys are going for this sneaker. I know I post a lot of pictures of this shoe already on my IG, and people are like, I can't wait for these to drop. So I hope you guys do. I wish you guys the best of luck. So let me throw this on feet. And hey, guys, that's my video for today. It's Sunday. It's football Sunday. Root for your team. I'm just going to throw that. Go Pats. But, guys, it's football Sunday, so enjoy it. Enjoy time with your family. Hey, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.